Hello and welcome. If you're looking to enhance your business communication by integrating WhatsApp directly into your services, you've come to the right place. AppWhats can be used for self-uses, or you can start WhatsApp marketing business. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to set up the WhatsApp Cloud Business API, including how to obtain your temporary access token, set up your test phone number ID, and much more so you can test AppWhats capabilities and functionalities. Let's dive in. Once you have registered as vendor on AppWhats, you need to log in using your credentials. Once you get logged in successfully to your account, you will find Cloud API Setup link in bottom of sidebar. Clicking on it will take you to Cloud Setup API page, where you need to add required information like Facebook App ID Access Token, WhatsApp Business ID phone number ID webhook, etc. Don't worry, we will let you know how to get all this information. First, you need to create a Meta for Developers account. Head over to developers.facebook.com and sign up or log in into your account using your Facebook account. Once you've logged in, navigate to My Apps and click on Create App. Choose the Other and then Business option for your app type. After creating your app, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. You can get your app ID from top navigation bar. On this dashboard, you'll add a product. Click on Setup under WhatsApp. It may take you to Quick Start page where you need to choose your Meta business account. Once click on Continue, it will enable information on Quick Start page. Clicking on Start using API button or API Setup link into sidebar would take you to the API Setup page. On this page, you will find all the required information you need for AppWhats Cloud API Setup page. Here you will find temporary access token so you can quickly start testing. But for life system, it's recommended that you should generate permanent access token as temporary access token get expired in 24 hours. While you can add your own number by verifying and completing account requirement, you can quick start with test phone number provided. On same page you will find phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. After that, for testing purposes, you need to add recipient phone numbers so you can test the system with these numbers. You can add up to 5 phone numbers and require WhatsApp OTP verification. Once this information is added to WhatsApp Cloud API Setup page, now you need to set up webhook. You need get webhook URL and verification token from WhatsApp Cloud API Setup page. Now go to Configuration link at sidebar on your WhatsApp Setup page at Developers account. Click on the Edit button on Webhook section. It will open dialog box where you need to add webhook URL and token provided by AppWhats. Clicking on Verify and Save. Now need to configure webhook fields so it can send messages, notification alerts to our system. For you need to click on Manage button. It will open dialog with different options. You need to choose messages from it and save. You can click on Test button beside messages item, so AppWhats system knows that you have correctly configured it. Now the API setup part is complete. You need to create one contact so that can be selected as test contact. It is required while scheduling the campaigns. To do that now, you need to go to AppWhats contacts list page and click on Create New Contact and add the required information along with the WhatsApp phone number with country code and without prefixing 0 or plus sign. Please note, if you are using WhatsApp provided test number, make sure you have used test recipient number you already added to the API setup page. Now you need to create templates at Meta Business account. Clicking on Manage Templates will take you to the concern page to create templates. Once you created templates, then you need to click on Sync Templates button so the system can fetch all your templates. Now the system is ready to send messages. You can either start by sending template message to your contact or can send message to system phone number by scanning QR code by your phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Have any questions or tips for fellow viewers? Leave a comment below. See you in the next video.